Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell on XM trading. And for example, I show you today with the stock Tesla how we can do this. And first of all, what we're gonna do is we fill in the amount. So let's say we want one share to buy Tesla. Then we click on buy. One share, and then from here we click on place order at, and then we can buy immediately for that price Tesla. So let's say we want to buy it, place order, and right now done, you have bought one share of Tesla. Then right now we want to sell it, and we can sell it if you go to sell and then sell it for a little bit lower. Then we can click right here now on also first the amount, one, and then click on place order at, place order, and right now you have sold one Tesla. So this is how you can buy and sell stocks. It works exactly the same for other cryptocurrencies, but this is how you can buy and sell things in XM trading. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.